When disaster strikes, preparation and quick thinking can make all the difference. Tornadoes are among the most unpredictable and devastating natural disasters, capable of turning everyday life into chaos within minutes. In this video, we'll break down the key survival strategies you need to know before, during, and after a tornado. From preparation to action, I'll guide you through practical steps to keep you and your loved ones safe. Be prepared before it hits. Know your area's risks. If you live in a tornado-prone region, familiarize yourself with the local weather alerts and warning systems. Install apps or sign up for text alerts that notify you of severe weather. Create a safe space. Identify the safest place in your home, ideally a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor, away from windows. Reinforce this area if possible. Assemble an emergency kit. Your kit should include water, non-perishable food, a flashlight, batteries, a first aid kit, and essential medications. Don't forget important documents and a portable phone charger. Take action when a tornado is imminent. Listen to alerts. Tornado watches mean conditions are favorable, while warnings indicate a tornado has been spotted or detected on radar. Take warnings seriously. Seek shelter immediately. If you're at home, move to your designated safe space. If you're outside, find a low-lying area like a ditch and lie flat, covering your head. Avoid overpasses or bridges. They can create dangerous wind tunnels. Protect yourself. Use a mattress, helmet, or even heavy blankets to shield yourself from flying debris. Staying low and covering your head is critical. After the tornado passes, assess your surroundings. Check yourself and those around you for injuries. Use your first aid kit for minor wounds and seek help for severe injuries. Stay alert. Be cautious of downed power lines, broken glass, and unstable structures. Avoid entering damaged buildings until they are deemed safe. Communicate. Use your phone sparingly to conserve battery, but inform emergency services of your location if you're trapped or need assistance. Let's recap. To survive a tornado, preparation is key. Know the risks, secure a safe space, and have an emergency kit ready. When danger is imminent, act quickly by seeking shelter and protecting yourself. After the storm, stay vigilant and prioritize safety while seeking help if needed. Now it's your turn. Take a moment today to identify a safe spot in your home and start assembling your emergency kit. Share this video with someone who could benefit from these tips. It could save a life. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical survival advice to stay prepared for whatever comes your way.